Hi, this is Shazim from Shazim Tricks. Today I'm going to share with you free wedding effects Photoshop actions full free. So without any further ado, let's get started. At first, open your Photoshop software, then open your any image. Which image do you want to apply wedding effects Photoshop action? So go to File menu, then click on the Open, and now open your image. I select these two images, then click on the Open. And now I will apply on this image wedding effects Photoshop action. Now we need to do load the Photoshop action. So go to window menu, then click on the load, and now click on this icon and click on the load actions. You can see here wedding effects by Shazim Tricks free Photoshop actions. I will provide this wedding effects Photoshop actions full free. So go to this video description box and download this Photoshop actions full free. Select your downloaded actions, then click on the load, and here you can see the Photoshop actions comes here. I provide here 23 wedding effects actions. Check one by one. Just easy way to use, just simple way. Just select this action, then just one click on the play button to apply the wedding effects action. Read the message and click on the continue. I will apply on the another image. Same way, just select the wedding effects section, then just one click on the play button and just click on the continue. You can see the output of the image. This is look like very beautiful and dramatic looking, and very nice color grading. That is the before image and that is the after image. Also this image, that is the before image and that is the after image. You can decrease its opacity from here. Just select this wedding effects action layer, then opacity, decreases opacity. Now delete this wedding effects actions layer and apply another. So just press delete button, delete, then select the wedding effects one by one. Any of the wedding effects action, just select and then click on the play button, and it will automatically apply the wedding effects action. That is the before and that is the after, and it also same way, just select and just click on the play button. That is the before and that is the after. Check one by one. All of the actions you can use, just simple way to use. All are very beautiful and dramatic looking. That is the before and that is the after. That is the before and that is the after. All are very beautiful, dramatic looking wedding effects section. So I hope you like this all Photoshop action. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to give us like, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get notifications for any updates. Thanks for watching. Thank you very much for staying with me. See you next tutorial. Thank you.